Hey babe, where you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is time. CEO Dozere Kruger United 1, Kaizer Chiefs 3 in the first game of the Betway Premiership for both teams. One team won the National First Division. The other was number 3 last season in the Betway Premiership. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs and coach Fernando da Cruz in his opening competitive game in South African football. Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs winger, what did you think of the game, sir?
Kulo brother ngoba sesigrundile
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ya ngicela siqhubeke sinelanga lonke sila. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Abachita abaqale kahle season. It is for compliment
Sure.
them and their coaches technical team. I think ngikhulume Kruger I think i-coaches asiqale nge-coach yabo nama-players wabo. Mningi umsebenzi kumele bawenze Kruger. If abafuna ukulandela abo-Orbit, if they don't want to follow ey'cathulweni zabo Magesi, they need to start after this game. Tactically, team yabo poor. They don't have players who want to compete in this league. I don't think psychological players are prepared. Experienced decision making. I'm not too sure. Honestly speaking,
Yeah.
Chiefs deserve to win this game. Yes, not one of the best game. Honestly, I think Chiefs.
Yes, on Kruger before we move on. We mentioned this against Milford. We're mentioning it against Kruger as well. We are talking about two promoted teams, Bakupuge and Badal Babo. Why, in your opinion, do you think these teams are taking this risk? Even Nabo Obit, Bakupuge and Badal Babo, Nabo Bashon, they went back to the bottom. Magesi, Kupuge and Badal Babo, back to the bottom. Why do you think, because you're a football person, why do you think these teams are being promoted? Yes, you don't have to chase everyone. You have to be grateful to people about good promotion. But why bangayenzi blend with experienced players, experienced free agents?
Yeah, I think Ian's about they're only concerned about money. Honestly speaking, they don't care about the status. I think Uktola that 50 million. For them, they don't care. They understand with Bahlale Lapayana or Senkulmang maintain. Because if they will care, they were going to bring some experienced players. Honke lama team Kulmang Ovid Makesi.
Including these two as well.
You can't be doing yes ngibonile kunalo mjita lobuya kusikhukhune center back. I saw Ndlovu, the one was playing for Solos.
Yeah, the
the
goal
one who
scorer.
scored the goal scorer. I saw Mahlang coming from the only 3 players. You can't talk
Ntsako Makubela.
Unsako Makubela, but Unsako career ku spend the NFT maturity Mutsupe Championship. Maybe 1 or 2 seasons Unsako ku Betway Premiership. Lama team lawa, I'm not too sure, but indaba zemali. Gima ngicabanga indaba zemali, they don't wanna spend not big money. Quality, you must take care of equality. You need to pay a good player. You need to pay good money so that was perform for when. You can't expect to stay in Betway Premiership. Other team told idlalisa player that they are so happy. If about TX Galaxy they paying players, not to say they paying big bucks, but they paying players good because they are a player wabo. And then by maintain status Betway Premiership. Now we do the same because angeke uzu compete, you can't. I mean Kruger namhlanje ngibabonile in all departments I think they fail. Too many mistakes, they fall, decision making. I don't think honestly in the preseason yabo coaching is inexperience. Not the way bashintsha ngakhona masapobo even their subs they not, it's like giving players a chance, not to say they come and change the
Making
game.
any impact.
No impact. And Kaizer Chiefs baqalele game intensity high. Bapresela bafana ubonile just team yabo. Ngimbonile coach ufuna ukudlala ngama-wing. It doesn't rely njengoba ngishilo nanga friendly game last week. Akafuna ukurely ngabo-wing back, abomonyane they will go forward, abo-Froster. You want Batman, you want Mfundo Vilakazi to take players on. Use their speed. You understand? Umfundo, disadvantage yakhe akana speed umfundo. You understand? Maybe is more good in decision making. Ungena phakathi umfundo. Akusiplay ungarely kulo. Especially kuma game akusumuntu ongaba. You can't put some expectations kumfundo ngihlale ngisho mina. You can't, not now, akakabe ready. Even it's proven game namhlanje. Kruger le akusi game that big, and then it's proven bamqalisa game udlale ngama moment umbonile umfundo. Akusulo umfundo lo udlale ngegame ye Scotland. It takes somebody on play 1-2. 10 defense, taking shot. I think the Chiefs pressed this team, forced this team to make mistakes. I think they pressed them up front there. Silva, William Mfundo Vilakazi and this guy Batman. They pressed them. But Zalanga 2 defensive midfield. which is so right. Mawudlala ngama-play team idlala wide kanje isikhathi team yakhe stretcher too much coach. Udakrus into ekumele ayilungise makazodlala nabo Sundowns Pirates. Badlala ngama-pocket. If you defend this way, if you starting position sakho so, and when you defend this
Everyone
way,
is too far apart.
and
from each
then
other.
there's gaps there, and then you're going to have a big problem, especially when Access Sundowns and Paris Pearl. They are teams who are so clever. Even our Rose Babuni last season, they play now on my pockets. Other teams go to Premiership. So, coach team yakhe ngimbonile ufuna istretch when they got the ball, when they have the ball, and noma ngana bhola team yabo isa stretch ubonile umfundi uhleli wide ka right. Batman is still on the right, on the left. Ngibonile na this guy, Cheslin, went on the left hand side, number 10 akumdlala ka left. The reason being ngibonile why akana speed, bafuna ukupila off, confuse the opponent, baphile off nga this guy, Batman. Bafuna sondele phambi kwakhe so that they can combine, badlali 1-2 behind the defense. Bafuna kanjalo, that's why number 10 wakamdlalela far, away from Ipali. Umpege doesn't take shot. Umuntu ufuna every time ukudlala kule side on the left hand side. So second half much better from Kaizer Chiefs. I need ngoba le team equalizile but igoal labo nabo mangabheka badlala uNdlovu on the right hand side wadlala la deflector from Kaizer Chiefs. I think libuyele back kuye wangena phakathi waliswinga. I think last poll it was a goal. Goalkeeper I think imshayile la bhola though bekuyibhola eliswaver ibhola eli more slow but lona ilikhelile lo mjida and well done from that bahlula ku maintain. I think Kaizer Chiefs now, because of the players they've got, bahlule ku maintain Chiefs because of the team lebengamelanga izikora. I mean, this team compare the Chiefs the way iqale ngakhona. Mina bengabheka this team ukuthi they can score if they had players who can maintain. Udlala nga two defensive midfielders, right so. Mawudlala i-team ufuna stretch, idlala nga double number 10. Abazo support right. It's true lento bekayisho first half. The one defensive midfielders and then two number 10 they can support whether right or left. Batman or Mfundo. I-team i-game ikwazi kuba balance. I-team ayiqeda ukore Kruger, coach by go half time. Second half, he brought this boy uDuba. Duba mobile. Very dynamic ngimbonile umjida angisafuna ukubona umuntu bangabi convinced but well done to him scoring 2 goals mele sim compliment good run especially that goal Chiefs ngibashayela izandla mangithi ngibashayela izandla I mean combination play ubonile kube namaphasa ingakho when did you last see this thing ku Chiefs into njengale ngisho goal number 3 labo you understand second half much better compared to first half ngoba first half I can be balanced this team it was like ngathi ama team average afana we2 you couldn't tell who was the big team too many mistakes and in hurry playing I mean uluzi ibhola ngokuphasa not even dribbling with the ball players thatha responsibility even uBatman naye second half he came lively mangambheka taking players on I mean it was a threat I think he deserve man of the match the boy
Oh, they gave him man of the
yes he deserve I think second half he came because kule game uzonika bani this is a game whereby second half raise isandla lo mfana because ube threat taking opponent ile bengifuna ukuyibona umfunda yenza ngapha on the right
So would you continue with Upatman on the left hand side? Are there any aspects of the game that you can mention?
ngicela ukusho iKruger is a team ebuya kuMutsipe Championship kulega Batman they still need to prove themselves we can't say now yes ngizomchubekisa kwenye game but I can't rely on him you can't ngoba noDuba kunamagoli azokorera so and then you see you season yonke akaveli you understand he scored these goals yes some compliment
goals,
yes some compliment but when it matters when my game you come and play you don't see Duba you understand and now you tend to ask yourself so ngisafuna ukumbona uBatman I will keep him second game cause umbonile ube neimpact ngimqale but I can't rely on him Samela let's prove
Now the other player that's going to be a question mark of course uDuba that if uSilva ufit uDuba ngena uSilva what do you do unabo Egadaro as well what do you want to do with uDuba do you want to test him as or you want to make him an impact player
yeah ithingenze so mina for me man ukubring abo Silva from international like babuya from these are international players they're supposed to be times 5 than players that we have mina bengizodlala ngayo lo mfana uDuba it's not a wow but they score goals sometimes njengaye uSilva uyamakora uSilva nalentwana inokora ngithi and mawubheka age mawulibela umniki chance because the Chiefs in a tendency ukuthi whether you good or bad they keep you understand now Abu Modi they still at Kaizer Chiefs Abu Mikel they still at Kaizer Chiefs you understand so the boy the more ahlala lapha confident base ogeneka so mina bengizoqala ngayo lo mfana yena uDuba Silva come on the bench he's an international player one more from him mangabuza lamela fana buliyo honestly he's an international player Leo similar type of player we need international player mela fana mangabuletha I play vela ngale, and then we say we bring this side.
Yeah.
But Chiefs, they deserve the game to win. Honestly, especially second half, they dominate this game. And they call number 3, special goal. Honestly, goal number 3. Kune combination play. But the game, first half, I was like wondering what's going on now. You understand? Look, like fun.
Feels like they're still in pre-season.
Yeah, and everybody sabuk thatha responsibility. Tactically, both coaches, as Ivar, I mean, coach Kaizer Chiefs had 6 weeks, I think, pre-season. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi uphetheni. First half I couldn't see team yakhe. Ngiyambona urela kuma attack, nange game friendly ngimbonile. Wing back, which is good. Defense yakho ufuna ibe solid. Now players that are taking Chiefs vele ngazidlala kanjalo. Attacking need to show. And is ngiyambona ufuna ukudlala kanjalo, but team yakhe stretch too much even if they don't have the ball, and then there's a big problem elayilungise lento le. And yeah, second half I think much better from Kaizer Chiefs. Honestly, they deserve to win this game ngoba Kruger honestly from them I ningumsebenzi kumele wenze, and inexperienced coach team yabo nje dabafana laba, it's a typical the performance I think they basese
This is their level. They have nothing more to show for so far.
Ceiling like njoba sisho ba reach ceiling.
Sure.
So Chiefs they deserve nje ukuthi badla bajita. Welcome to Betway Premiership mara mningi umsebenzi kumele bawenze.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Junior Kanye. That's Kaizer Chiefs away from home in Mpumalanga. It's very rare where matches are delayed at 8 p.m. You can't be late at 8 p.m. I mean, 8 p.m. is like one of the latest times you can clock in at work. But yeah, it was a delayed game by 15 minutes. But thankfully, we did watch a game. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. For Kruger, it will be this game plus the first 8 games that will tell you what's going to happen with your future. The transfer window is not closed. You can still speak to people to come and help you, particularly more experienced players. Or you'll be up and then you'll be down, just like Orbit College, Magesi, and many other teams. It is Times, Times, Warsaw Betting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.